Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons. Today is our Patreon in review where I tell you the names of the videos that are recorded for you if you're a patron over on my Patreon channel. And I gave everyone here on YouTube a sample by giving you what I had put out on Monday. It's called It's Never Too Late, so if you haven't seen it, pop in. That is the style of video that I'm producing over on the Patreon channel. So that gives you an idea. The other things that we have for this last week are how to be the boss of your social media, your bedroom, are you hypersensitive, and the truth about you and solitude. So I hope that you, if you are a patron, pop over and watch your videos. If you're not, you're free to join us, be part of our more intimate group, and it is $5 a month. There are no advertisings, and you get 20 videos a month. So I would love to have you come join us over there. Looking forward to seeing everyone soon. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.